If you want to know where the reaction is in crypto, you don't want to look at hype, you don't want to look at YouTube thumbnail. What you should actually be looking at is the 24 hours trading volume. The volume tells us one thing, where real money is moving right now. In this video, we're actually breaking down the most traded cryptocurrencies by 24 hours volume and what that actually means, and how serious traders are using platforms like CoinEx to track and trade these moves efficiently. So let's get right into it. When it comes to the crypto markets, market cap actually tells you the size, and price actually tells you the direction you should go, but volume actually tells you conviction. Okay, so when millions of dollars flow through a coin in 24 hours, that actually means that institutions are active, whales are rotating capitals, retail traders are entering or exiting, and volatility is likely increasing. And high volume equals liquidity, and liquidity equals easier entries and exits. Okay, so if you are trading actively, liquidity actually matters more than almost anything. So that's why professional traders constantly monitor the 24 hours volume rankings. Okay, on exchanges like CoinEx, volume data updates in real time, so you can immediately see which assets are dominating market activities, instead of relying on outdated lists. Now let's talk about the most traded cryptocurrencies by 24 hours volume. Whenever we want to talk about cryptocurrencies, we actually have to talk about the leaders, and the first one here in my list is Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually remains the king of volume, so whenever macro uncertainty actually hits, Bitcoin volume actually explodes also, and it becomes the liquidity hub of the entire market. On CoinEx, Bitcoin pairs typically dominate order book depth, which actually makes it ideal for high volume traders. The second here in my list is Ethereum. So Ethereum consistently holds one of the top volume spots because Ethereum isn't just a coin, it's a base layer for DeFi, NFTs, and smart contracts. Okay, so whenever altcoin momentum actually builds, Ethereum volume rises sharply as capital also rotates. Traders on CoinEx often monitor Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Ethereum USDT. The third one on my list here is stable coins. USDT and USDC frequently rank among the highest in the 24 hours volume, not because they are money, but because they are the fuel of the market. So when stable coin volume actually sparks, it often means traders are preparing to buy, or they're actually exiting into safety. So watching stable coin flows on exchange like CoinEx can literally give you early hint about incoming volatility, so you avoid risks. Number 4 on my list is Solana. So Solana has become a consistent high volume asset during meme coin cycles and DeFi rotations. So when Solana volume actually jumps, it actually means risk appetite is increasing, retail participation is rising, and because CoinEx lists both major and emerging ecosystems, traders can move from Solana into smaller ecosystem tokens, without actually leaving the platform. The number 5 on my list is meme coins and high volatility tokens. During speculative cycles, coins like Pepe and Doge can, suddenly break into top 10 volume ranking. So high volume here often signals some FOMO, short-term squeezes, and rapid momentum trade. That's where having a clean interface and fast execution, like what CoinEx provides, becomes practical rather than promotional. So here's what experienced traders actually do. First of all, they get to compare volume to price movement. So if price actually rises but volume drops, that actually means weak move. move, and if price rises without increasing volume, that actually means strong conviction. And number two, they get to watch volume rotation. When Bitcoin volume actually drops and Ethereum rises, capital may be rotating into altcoin. Number three is they get to monitor sudden sparks. So a sudden 200% volume increase in 1 hour usually means breaking news, whale entry, and liquidation cascade. On CoinEx, the real-time market overview and suitable volume ranking actually makes it easier to identify these shifts without flipping between multiple platforms. Now we're going to be talking about why exchange choice matters. Very important for you to note that not all volume data is equally useful. You want deep liquidity and real-time updates and multiple trading pairs. CoinEx actually stands out because it actually combines a wide selections of high volume assets, clean market dashboard, advanced order types, and access to global users. And importantly, it doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary complexities. It's very easy to use and navigate with. So for traders in the US, Brazil, or Nigeria, speed and clarity matters when reacting to the 24 hours volume shift. Alright guys, so here is my takeaway. If you want to trade smarter, then you want to stop chasing headlines and start watching out for the 24 hours volume, because volume actually shows you where money is flowing, where liquidity is building, and where opportunity is actually forming. Okay, so platforms like CoinEx simply make that process smoother, not louder, which is exactly what serious traders actually need. So if this breakdown actually helped you understand how to read the market through volume, you need to drop a like and subscribe for more data driven crypto insight. And remember, in crypto you want to follow volume, not noise. Okay, so thanks for watching once more, and see you in the next one.